warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lintang Novitasari, you can call me Lintang, and I'm from English Literature 2019A. And for my registration number is 19020154001 and 3 or 13. Okay guys, so in this beautiful morning, I will tell you something important. As you know, if you are a college student, you have a phonology class in your English department, and now I will explain, or I will give some a little information to you that's very important and very informative for you about phonology. And this one is about one of subunit from phonology lesson. I think that you are very curious about what is my information to you that I will give for all of you guys. So don't go anywhere. Let's move to the next video. Move, guys. Nasalizations of vowels. Vowels, like consonants, can be produced with a raised volume that prevents the air from escaping through the nose, or with a lowered volume that permits air to pass through the nasal passage. When the nasal passage is blocked, oral vowels result, and when the nasal passage is open, nasal or nasalized vowel result. In English, nasal vowels occur for the most part before nasal consonants in the same syllable, and oral vowels occur in all other places. The words pin, pun, pingo, pum, bam, and bang are the examples of words that contain nasalized vowels. To show the nasalization of a vowel in a narrow phonetic transcription, an extra mark called a diacritic symbol, in this case, is placed over the vowel, as in pin, in up at alphabet I or E in Indonesia, and bone in the up of alphabet O or O in Indonesia. And remember that nasalization of vowels only for a vowel or a diphthong which is placed before a nasal consonant, such as like M, N, ng. And both the vowel or diphthong and the nasal consonant are within the same syllable. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Okay, so welcome back to me, Lintang Novitasari. And in the previous video, I think that you have many information that you got from nasalizations of vowels. Yay! So today I will talk about nasalization of vowels. If in the previous video you have seen about meaning or maybe like some information, and in this time I will show you about the example. Okay, if you are very attracted or very interested, in the previous video I mentioned some examples like pin, bone, bam, bang, and bean. Okay, like that. So now I will show you about nasalization vowels in this paper. Do you got it, guys? Okay, I think you got it. Okay, so I will make some examples. I got bean and bang. Okay, the first is bean. Okay, so if you see in here the phonetic transcription of bean, like that, bean, like that, guys, bean. So I mentioned that nasalization vowels have three consonants. That is M, N, and ng. Okay, if you are take a look like this, M, N, and ng, like this, guys. Do you know? Nah, so sorry. Nah, M and like that. Okay. And in this bin, in the before of the nasal consonant, ini kan nasal consonant. Oh sorry, this is nasal consonant. Nah, any vowels, anything of vowels like E, the vowels. Okay, vowels. Can you see that, guys? Okay, vowels kan. Nah, sorry. Okay, in the before of the nasal consonants, the vowel is you can give it tilde or like this, guys. Nah, tilde. Okay, so you can give it at the top or the up in the in the vowels before the nasal consonant. Okay, like that. Okay, so like that. Sorry. Okay, and then you move to the bracket like this. Square bracket. I mean square bracket. You can put the tilde in the before of nasal consonant. Okay, like this. Seret. Nah. Okay, so like this, the final result of nasalization vowels. Okay, like this ya guys ya. Nah. Okay, and the second is same. I make it big so it can clear. Bang. If you are in the phonetic transcription, it's just like bang. But if in the nasalization of vowels, you can add the tilde into into the before of nasal consonants. The vowel. Okay, so vowels before the nasal consonant, I mean. Okay, like that. A, you know A is a vowel, right? So you can add the tilde on the top of a cert. So this is the tilde. Nah. Okay, and the second and the square brackets is same. You can put tilde on the vowel before of nasal consonants like that. Okay, so in here is nasal consonants and the vowel before the nasal consonants. You can put tilde like this in this before of nasal consonants. So like this, guys. This is the example. Remember that nasal consonants just 3. It is M, N, and ung. So before the consonant M and ung, if you are nasalized, you can put the tilde on the top of the vowel. Okay, I think that is clear, guys. Like this. Okay. So that is the information that you can get from me. I think that I still study more about the nasalization of vowels, and maybe you can give me some tips or trick that make me more fun or have fun to study phonology, or maybe you can sharing with me, sharing the knowledge about phonology, about the nasalization of vowels, maybe about morphology too, and maybe some lesson you can put on comment in this in this commentar. Okay, you can tap, you can like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. So that's all from me from today. I hope that all of you always stay safe and stay healthy because of coronavirus Indonesia, and I hope that all of you always be happy because our day is too long, and I wish that we have some happy for our day in this quarantine day. Okay, guys, so thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Dadah.